Hello grade 3 children. In today's class we are going to discuss two different activities in your Social Studies Studio Volume 1. You want to know what are all the activities that you are going to see now? Yes, come, let's get into the video now. So in your exercise 2.18 in page number 44, you have a timeline where you can find three different boxes. In the first box, you have to paste a picture of your own picture before 2 years. 2 years ago எடுத்த picture நீங்க இங்க paste பண்ண போறீங்க. So the picture at present, you have a picture at present, so you are going to paste it here, and 5 years later we can't predict, so just we have a guess, and நம்ம 5 years க்கு அப்புறம் எப்படி இருக்கும்ங்கறத just we are going to imagine ourselves and we are going to draw here. So this is your first activity. Those who have pictures taken 2 years back can paste the pictures. If you don't have any pictures, you can draw as your wish. So under this you have a space. 2 years ago I could அப்படினு சொல்லி you have an option. Now அப்படினு சொல்லி I can, I will able to. So you have three dashes there, so you are going to write the answers here in the dash provided. Now I am going to share my answers with you. 2 years ago I could, really I am saying I could sing well. So I could sing well. Now I can at present, இப்போ என்னால என்ன முடியும், what I can do at present. I can teach you well, I can make you understand concepts very clear. So I can teach well. I believe I can do well. So I wrote this answer. 5 years later, I will able to, it's a guess actually, we can't know what happens in the future. So I am just guessing. So from now, after 5 years later, I will able to buy a brand new Audi car. So I will be able to buy a car which is very luxurious by nature. So after this you have a very long space provided. This is dash apostrophe s timeline. So this timeline is about me. So என்னோட timeline I am going to write my name here. You have to write your own name in the dash provided. So my name Bala Vigneshwar. So this is my timeline. This is Bala Vigneshwar's timeline. So apostrophe s represents possessive nouns. So this is the first activity that you are going to do today, and you have one more activity. Yes, activity exercise number 2.19 in page 45. Page number 45 you have a lengthy passage, lengthy timeline about J.K. Rowling, who wrote the Harry Potter book. So avangala pathina or general informations timeline கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, in which year what happened அப்படிங்கற மாதிரி. So moving on to the next, you will be having a questions. I'll just read and I'll explain you the questions. I'll just give a small hint what you are going to do now. So how old J.K. Rowling when she wrote her first book? J.K. Rowling first book எழுதுறப்போ அவங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு வயசுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So when she was born அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம first check பண்ணனும். She born in the year 1965. So when she wrote her first book அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா she wrote her first book in the year 1972. So 1972 is higher than 1965. I am writing it at the top and I am writing 1965 at the bottom. So I have to find the difference. Whenever I go for a difference, I have to go for a subtraction. So subtract the answer and write the number here. Subtract these two numbers and write the answers here. So this is your first question. So it may be like, for example, x is the answer for you. X ங்கிறது மாதிரி ஒரு வேல்யூ வச்சுக்குவோம். So you have to write she was or J.K. Rowling was x years old. அப்படிங்கிறது you are going to write in the dash provided. Moving on to the second question, what happened? So question is in the past tense. What happened in 1977? So நீங்க இங்க ஃப்ரண்ட் பேஜ்ல பார்க்கறப்போ எல்லாமே வந்து உங்களுக்கு present tenseல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, but question past tenseல இருந்தது அப்படினா you also have to write the answer in the past tense itself. So what happened in 1977? So நீங்க என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க, அந்த டைம்லைன்ல you are going to check 1977. So 1977 check பண்ணிட்டு what has happened ங்கறதை you are going to read first. I am going to read her first book of Harry Potter series, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone is published அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இருக்கு. So what you are going to do, you are going to slightly change, alter the word is into was. In the year 1977 her first book of Harry Potter series was released. So is வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், was convert பண்ண போறோம். Why? Because we have a past tense here mentioned in that question. Okay, got it? So moving on to the next is third question. So I just read out the third question. Miss Rowling's fifth book was published in the year 2003. Where will you include this event in the timeline given above? So 2003 they have mentioned the year as a reference year. In the reference year ku munnadi irukra timeline year you have to write here preceding and after that. So before years and after years timeline la enna year mention aayirukko that year you are going to write it before and after. So you have to go through the timeline in page number 45 and write the answers here. So moving on to the next question, fourth question. So how many years after the first book of Harry Potter series was published was the first movie released அப்படினு சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அவங்களோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் புக் எழுதுனதுக்கு அப்புறம் எத்தனை இயர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் இந்த மூவி ரிலீஸ் ஆகிருக்குங்கிறது தான் क्वेश्चन. So in the year 2011 the movie was released. In 1997 she started writing the book and she published in the year 1997. So 2011 at the top, 1997 at the bottom. So I am going to find out the difference. After calculating the difference you will find out the answer. So answer we are not going to write, but read the questions carefully. எத்தனை இயர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் they are asking about the complete years. So if the answer comes around 14 அப்படினா 14 years ஆயிருச்சு, but what answer you are going to write here, how many years has been completed? So the completed answer, whatever answers comes here, just subtract one from the answer and write it here. So last question, underline the event that happened earlier. You have two options. So Miss Rowling gets married. So second option, the movie based on her first book is released. So comparing these two events, which event happened earlier in her life mentioned in the timeline. Timeline la இந்த ரெண்டு ஈவென்ட்ல which happened earlier எது first நடந்ததுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So you have two dashes there, two events இருக்கும். They want you to underline it. Please do underline with a scale and using a pencil. So these are the two exercises for today's social homework. Complete your exercise and post it back in your WhatsApp group. Thank you and see you soon tomorrow.